What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Haven, and today we're going to be doing another Barbie craft. So let's get started. First, we're making a Barbie magazine. So yeah, that you can actually read. So first, you're going to need a magazine. I have this one here. I'm not going to use a real magazine. I'm just using a shop magazine. So first, pick an item that you like and cut it out. I picked this hotel right here and here. So let's cut them out. So first, what you're going to do is you take your magazine. Sorry if you can't see, having a little trouble with the camera today. So let me fix it real quick. That's better. So you're going to take your picture and cut it out. So you need scissors, of course, and a magazine. Make sure that you're never going to use that magazine again because it's going to be destroyed. So, cut them out. I'm using a hotel picture. You can use whatever you like. These scissors aren't the best type, so I'm just going to clean up those scissors a little bit better. So once you have your cutout, I have this. Then you're going to fold it on the side you like. I think I'm going to fold it fat ways. Well, burger waist. So, yeah. And there is... You gotta clean up those edges better. You can trim it to whatever size you like. I'm going to cut this off. And wham bam, you have a magazine. You can open. You can glue different pictures into the middle. Then you can open it and close it. And that is the end of our video. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and make sure to follow me on. And bye!